Hello, good morning everyone. Last lecture we will discuss about the report writing, website design, and today we will discuss about the plagiarism. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is the act of presenting the words, ideas, images, sound, or the creative expression of others as your own. Okay. Plagiarism significant problems on almost every college and university campus. The problem of plagiarism go behind the campus and have become an issue in industry, journalism, and government activities. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is representation of another other author's language, thoughts, ideas, or expression on as one's own original work. Plagiarism is considered academic dishonesty and branch of जर्नलिस्ट इथिक्स. ओके, म्हणजेच काय प्लॅगरिझम म्हणजे काय, म्हणजे काय तुम्ही दुसऱ्या ऑथरचा रिसर्चवर किंवा रिसर्च लँग्वेज किंवा थॉट्स आयडियाज तुम्ही तुमच्या ओरिजिनल काम केलं असं सांगितलं किंवा ॲक्च्युअलमध्ये ते तुमचं काम नसतं, ते तुम्ही कोणाचं तरी काम केलेलं कॉपी केला तर ते तुम्ही तसं दाखवता की आम्ही केलं ते ॲज अ ओन इज कॉल्ड ॲज प्लॅगरिझम म्हणतात. ते आज आपले जे रिसर्च जे इथिक्स आहेत त्या रिसर्चच्या अंदाजाने प्लॅगरिझम काय आहे तर अनइथिकल वे आहे. सिम्पल आहे ते सांगायचं तर प्लॅगरिझम हे कॉपिंग ऑदर्स वर्क इन अवर रिसर्च वर्क. काय होतं तर तुम्ही काय करता, दुसऱ्यांचं रिसर्च वर्कला कॉपी करून घेता आणि तुम्ही स्वतःचं काम केलं असं दाखवता, म्हणजेच काय प्लॅगरिझम म्हणतात त्याला. Plagiarism, how can I check for plagiarism? Plagiarism checkers by plagiarism checkers detects plagiarism in our text and checks for other writing issues. Catch plagiarism from Procust database and over 16 million web pages. Okay. What is the plagiarism and examples? Plagiarism type of cheating and that involves the use of another person ideas, words, design, art, music as owns in whole or in part without acknowledging the author or obtaining his or her permission. Plagiarism is the plagiarism crime. Plagiarism is considered violation of academic integrity and a breach of the journalist ethics. Generally, plagiarism is not itself in a crime, but like counterfeiting fraud can be punished in a count of prejudice by copyright infringement, violation of moral rights or टोर्स. म्हणजेच काय प्लॅगरिझम हे दुसऱ्यांचं वर्क केलेलं जे आपण तेच वर्क करून आपण दाखवतो की आपण काम केलं त्या म्हणजे कामाला आपण प्लॅगरिझम म्हणतो. विच how many words can be copied in plagiarism? The rule of thumbs in more than 3 consecutive words, not counting shorts such as the, but, in, and, or, and, need the either quotation makes the footnotes or no acknowledgement of the authors in the text of your papers. Okay. How do you avoid plagiarism? Avoiding plagiarism. First, plagiarism, two methods: plagiarism prevention and plagiarism detection. Plagiarism prevention collaborate efforts for recognize and counter plagiarism at every level. Educate students about the appropriate use of intellectual material. बरोबर. Okay. Minimize the possibility of submission of plagiarism count. Plagiarism prevent in different achieve and also take a long time. And second, plagiarism detection. Colvin and Lancaster's 4 stages of detecting plagiarism: first, collection, analysis, confirmation, and investigation. Plagiarism detection techniques: text-based plagiarism detection technique, source code-based detection technique, text-based plagiarism detection technique, substring matching, keyboard similar, exact fingerprint match, take parsing. Tools of the plagiarism: some tools: Plag aware, Plag scan, check for plagiarism, iTunes plagiarism detection. Okay. Avoiding plagiarism, don't procrastinate with our research and assignments. Good research takes time. Coming to doing your own work, if you don't understand assignment, talk with our Professor be 100% scrupulous in our note taking, cite your source scrupulously, understanding and good paraphrasing. Okay. Next, how can I reduce my plagiarism online? कसे अवॉइड करायचे प्लॅगरिझम इन ऑनलाईन? काय आहे प्लॅगरिझम चेकर हे एक सॉफ्टवेअर आहे, तुम्ही त्यावर करू शकता. 100% फ्री आहे ते. साईट वर सोर्स इन्क्लूड कोटेशन, पॅराफ्रेज, प्रेझेंट युअर ओन आयडिया, स्टिल यूज प्लॅगरिझम चेकर. ओके. इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ प्लॅगरिझम. Citation means what is citation? It is nothing but to give bibliography. Bibliography means reference. तुम्ही तुमच्या रिसर्चमध्ये काही पॉईंट्स घेतला तर तुम्ही कुठून घेतलाय त्याला म्हणतात आपण